What's going on? This day has finally come. The Packout garage has been moved, organized. It's basically, stop laughing, it's basically done. Yes, I have a Packout here, okay?
Just
and I
there?
have
Just
one
there?
here. I've got a Packout here.
But what
I got
about
a
right
Packout there.
there?
But generally speaking, we have everything decluttered.
What about right over
No, don't turn. Don't turn.
What?
are you doing?
I thought you said that we were organized. What about under here?
Well, that's a mower. Okay. She spoiled it. I have a Packout problem.
I don't know that I'd call it a problem. I think it's more of a lifestyle.
You know, I did go from one lifestyle to the other. But you guys know I've gone through some changes. My voice finally hit puberty. Look great, even though I just got braces. Let's have fun with that. Okay, the garage was a mess. It still is. We had to move all of it out to do this video. But I have a problem. I have too many Packouts that I haven't even put my own method to. What am I saying? Right? Well, say for example, the chemical Packout over there. Or
the chemical Packout over here.
Or okay, that's the car wash. Wait, that's not even fair. I have the car wash Packouts.
Yeah,
and then I have the car wash Packout.
And the car wash Packouts.
And then yes, the car wash Packouts. But I've got some new wait, that's not can you see over there? That's car wash stuff too. Okay,
You're not helping your cause, my love.
Here's my problem, right? And then here's the other problem, right?
You're blocking a fire exit?
Shush. Nuts and bolts. I have a lot. I have big nuts and bolts. I have nuts and bolts. But you guys all asked for it. You wanted to see what's in your Packouts. Now here's the thing. Where I used to live when I was in Ohio, I had a big barn. I had multiple levels to it, but the barn was far away from the house. So I had redundancy because I didn't want to walk through the snow to walk out to the barn. But then when we moved to Florida, we had the printer room. That was a separate building. I had tools out there. We had the Packout garage. I had tools in there. It was a little bit bigger, but the main house I had Packouts in. When I moved in here, and Jen and I, everything, like it was...
I think we have more Packouts than actual furniture.
Packouts can be furniture. You saw that we could use the STACKTECH thing as a cutting board in the kitchen as a mobile island. So don't tell me the Packouts don't belong in the house, and don't ask her if there's any Packouts in the house. There's none in the house, I promise. But you guys wanted us to show you what's in the Packouts, so we're going to do it. Okay? Now, here's the thing. I don't have many Packouts in the driveway, but like she said, I have Packouts here. I have Packouts there. I have Packouts I still need to review. And in fact, I'm going to be completely honest with my problem, and I'm going to do some funny little transitions, because check this out. I have Packouts, and we have Packouts here. Now, granted, you can read the pew pew. We got GoPros. We also have more GoPros, and this has got expensive camera gear. We wouldn't want that in the garage. But that's the only place I have a problem. Unless...
You mean right?
Yes, you know what? She got me on that one. I might have... So we got MODBox, we got the Rigid Pro gear, we got the STACKTECH. We got a lot of STACKTECH, but that's got camera gear. That's not fair. We have the big Packout house stack. This is all for R&D.
We even have Rigid, but he won't show you the corner of developmental shame.
Hey, that means somebody's latches just came off the printer.
Okay, but what about these over here?
That's for a customer. That doesn't count. But this, I mean, look. Here, look. Bolt storage. So I have to have redundancy because this stuff is for the customers. I mean, speaking of that, like, look. Customers, okay? Okay.
You're doing it for the customers? Is that what you're saying?
It's in the house because of the customers. But we want to get a new place. We don't want any more Packouts in the house.
Don't we have more in another room, my love?
I don't know. Let me just magically teleport, and if I snap and I end up in another room, then we'll know that we have more. Yeah, I'm a liar.
We didn't even travel that far.
Okay, but hear me out. Like HDMI cables, speaker wires, like...
Honestly, these would make nice nightstands. They have great drawers.
They are. And look, O-rings.
We got one there, and hold on, because I even hid one. We have a hidden Packout. That's where the label maker
You should
lives.
label the label maker.
It is labeled.
Okay, so that maybe turn around and show them that too. Yeah, I have organization everywhere. All right, let's go to the next one.
Don't fall in the pool.
Okay, we got a couple more.
But they're not even, like, this is so unorganized.
Here's the thing. I'm not running any massive wire, so all of my spools are wire in there. So this is a logical place. Don't turn around and show them the flex stack next to the dead Christmas tree. Don't turn around and show them.
The dead Christmas tree and the...
Oh, stack fact. And that doesn't even count.
Because we have more on the fence over there.
The torture test. But I swear, that's all of them in the house. We're going to go ahead and go out to the garage.
Technically, we're not even in the house anymore.
Okay, we have them in the yard too? Okay, let's get back to the garage. I'm just going to walk to the garage and you guys can follow. So let's go
Are we giving the ammo can in the hallway an honorable mention?
That's for the Lincoln Navigator / Cross. You know what? That's fine.
No,
let's
but
just
I
go
bet
out to
you're
the
gonna tell
garage.
me.
Let's just go out to the garage. Ignore my birthday present.
And the ones on top of the dryer?
Okay, I have to keep my caulk safe. And that's where I keep all my caulk.
I can't with you.
There's a lot of caulk. There's clear caulk, white caulk, and black caulk in there. Okay, we're back to the garage, right? That's where all the packouts are supposed to be. So, here's our problem, and here's what we're going to do about it. I have a lot of packouts, and for example, I have a low voltage bag. I have a high voltage, I want to call it. But I did get a new backpack. Right? We got a video that we got to do on it, but I have the old backpack out there. I need to go through all of this. Why, you might say? Because, like, for example, if I open this drawer over here, this has shims and hose clamps, okay? The next drawer has one of my 15 Sawzalls.
Oh, hey, that's where the laser level lives. Did you know that?
I do. And then I have my testing gear for YouTube videos. But I also, if I come over here, I have more electrical related stuff, more car care related stuff. If I just spent a few hours every night and put everything that was car care in one section and then consolidated it, and I used to work for a Japanese company, and a couple different companies call it this, but there's a foam out there that you guys all love, that we love, called Kaizen foam, and there's a philosophy called Kaizen, or continual improvement, which is as you work with something, as you work in a space, you slowly make it more efficient. We've moved in, we've been busy, going through a lot of different life changes, divorce, moving, you name it, stuff's not where it should be. I have so many of these that are electrical, and then there's spaces in them. So what we're gonna do, I am going to take, worse than what you saw in the driveway, I'm gonna take every single one of these packouts off the wall, one at a time. Get some popcorn, don't have a beer, take some Ambien. You guys need to stay up, right? Is it Ambien that stays awake, or?
No, that one definitely helps you sleep.
Oh, I'm going to be the Ambien.
But then here's the thing, is Ambien shopping is like, it's a Christmas for yourself. So
oh, you just don't realize.
I mean, a lot of my friends.
Okay, well, whatever they need. Take your Ritalin, prepare, because this video is going to be about 4 hours long. I'm kidding. There's no way I could do this in 4 hours. So what we have a plan. What's the plan? Well, first, I need you guys to like and subscribe. And here's the reason why. I'm going to start going live. At least one day a week, except for when I'm on vacation. I'm going to come out to the garage. We're going to grab a laptop.
We're going to make the best spreadsheet ever.
We're going to absolutely spreadsheet the crap out of this.
Oh,
We're going to get a label put on every single packout. I'm going to take the packout, and on camera, I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to pull it down, and I'm going to say wall anchors. I know I have at least 3 of these. One of them's in the STACKTECH. I'm going to open it up on camera. We're going to take a top-down photo of this, and we're going to say, is this well organized? Yes. We're going to write it down on a list. We're going to close it up. We're going to put a sticky note on it. We're going to move it into a section where we've gone through it. All of this live. You guys can have questions. You can move along. But here's what we're going to also do. When I get to a section like over here, I might have a bunch of Harbor Freight tools that I don't want. I might have a bunch of stuff, and we're just going to get rid of it. We're going to sell off the stuff, donate it, you name it. I might have Irwin pliers, and I might have a bunch of Milwaukee pliers that are new. I have redundance of almost everything, and I don't need it. So,
like your 5 Sawzalls?
Shush, shush. You never know when I need to do Jacob Edwards' Sawzall hands. That
would be glorious. I would pay to see that TikTok.
So I'd have one in each hand, one in each foot, and then the 5th one would, you know what? We need to keep this video clean. Okay, so this is why you need to like and subscribe. And actually, I need your input. What should I do with the old stuff? Okay, should I sell it? I have donated a bunch, but we've started having problems with some of these donation places not wanting tools and like they don't know what some of this stuff is. Do I sell it? Do I donate it? I've definitely done both. We've definitely donated a lot of tools to apprentices and things like that. So I'd love you to hop in the comments. Let me know what you think I should do with the tools. If I don't really, I'm not saying I don't need the money, but what I am saying is
we need the space more.
I need the space, and I do care where the tool is going. So I'm not going to just throw out a tool. Even if it's a knockoff or a Chinese brand, I have a ton of socket-related things. I have so many different wrenches, which I know a lot of you mechanic-related people would say that this is an excessive amount. Hold on. Hold on. Those are just, wait, that's a breaker bar, okay? Those are all ratchets, but wait, hold on.
Don't we make inserts for those drawers?
It's the little Milwaukee one.
I can't with you.
Yes, okay. So, I have some stuff that I might not need, but some of it I'm a little, I mean, look at this Westcraft. I don't even know if that's a good brand. Made in the USA. It probably is. It's really old. This one, this Speed Guy, nice. It's not the same. Milwaukee, Craftsman. Which one would you keep? This one's pretty cool. This one's got 1/2 inch and 3/8. So I keep it, and I keep it, and I keep it, and I keep it. So we're gonna grab some bins.
Jake and
what'd you say?
Your name is Jake, and you have a tool problem.
And I'm from State Farm. I got to get rid of some of it. All right, I've got brand new ones that haven't even been used. I've got ones. This one's slightly longer. This could go. And what do I do with it? Okay, this one is like an old proto. Yeah, this one's a great grandfather one. Probably won't get rid of it.
We can argue the semantics.
But then why would I keep this one?
All of those on the live.
And this one, right? and this one. And why would I keep this one? I have 2 baby Milwaukee ones I didn't even know I had. Okay.
So this is why.
All right, we're going to get bins together. We're going to get stuff to go. I'd love to know what you would do with all these extra tools. I think for mechanic reasons, it's always good to have as many 10 millimeters as you can have. So I probably won't get rid of the Milwaukee sockets. The Craftsman. It's well organized, it's foam. I like to show people how you can reuse your existing stuff in a PACKOUT solution, and that's a good way to do it, and this gives me a duplicate. But I have impact sockets, I have chrome, both metric and SAE, so I probably have 4 or 5 sets. And yes, I could get rid of some stuff, and that's what we're going to do. And we're going to do it live, and you guys are going to be able to comment, you're going to be able to do all that, but you got to be subscribed, you want to hit that notification bell. I know I've beaten this to death, but it's really important because I don't know what day of the week, because I'm a busy guy, that I'm going to go live. But what I am going to do is it's going to go live at least on YouTube, because that's where we all are, right? But I will also probably simulcast it, and we'll do some TikTok and some Instagrams, and we'll alternate it because I only have so many devices, I only have so much Wi-Fi. But what we're going to do is we're also going to get an idea of which mods we want, right? I showed you the PACKOUT drawer. You see how we have 3D printed?
Well, maybe those people watching might have a mod we never thought of.
If you guys know of somebody that makes an insert for a tool, for example, I have inserts for some of my tools already. I just wanted to show it off to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this list of mods together, and your guys' input in the comments is super helpful. I'm going to get a list of mods together. It's going to be on the spreadsheet, and then we're going to come back and we're going to do posts. And those posts are going to be like polls, and it'll be on YouTube. We'll put them in a couple different places, and you guys could say, JakeOfALL, I want you to do the stapler bin and then your router bin, okay? I want you to show me that Jonah Pope for the laser. We'll 3D print it. We'll grab the laser. We'll put it in a drawer. We'll put a badge on it. All that good stuff. We work with a lot of different people, 3D technologies. And if there's somebody you think I should work with, boop, 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 in the comments, let me know. Plus, other people will know. Let me check my list. So once we're done and we have the poll together, we will put together non-live formats of this video in this anthology series, and we will show you every single PACKOUT. And we'll have like a master end video that will have links in the bottom, in the description, with chapters and all that good stuff, where you can come and see how does JakeOfALL organize staplers, crayons, you know, for you Army people. Marines are the crayons? Okay, I'm sorry. But, you know, grinding. No, that one says grinder. Wait, what? No. Electrical, table hardware, door hardware, we'll do a video. But if it's a quick one like brass screws, we'll do 5 or 6 in a video. And they'll just keep going until every single PACKOUT's covered. Except for the ones that say NSFW? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Okay, but that's it. This is it. This is a long video, but this is a lot of PACKOUTs. And while I might think it is a small problem, I have not had a problem for a really long time where somebody said, hey, do you have this tool? And I've been like, nope, I don't have that. In fact,
I mean, even after the hurricane, we were able to help our friends that were affected
exactly.
because you had the tools to do
How
the
many
job.
people needed to chip floors up? Got an SDS for that.
Oh, hey, that's your cue.
That's my cue. I like that. If the battery dies, it's time to shut up, JakeOfALL. So please, comment below. I'd love your opinions on all of this, but I had a couple action items. What would you do for the stuff to sale? And where's some other great places of mods that you want to see us show it off? Also, hit the bell. You want to get the notifications, subscribe. I really appreciate it. It helps us out. And if you want to share with your friends,
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring, but they might also want a wrench. They might want one of these ratchets. Who knows? So hit the comments, hit the bell, hit the subscribe, and hit me back when I come back live. And until then, I'm going to pack out. I can't go that way because the door's blocked, so I'm just going to walk this way off camera. Bye.